there.
Oh, film all that, baby. That's a Hoover Dam for you right
And
there.
he said, here's the Hoover Dam. We made it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I've always wanted to see it. Believe it or not, I've never even come to see it before. And there it is right there. There's the name, Hoover Dam. Spillway Center, Nevada time. There's a lot of tourists here. People taking some beautiful pictures. I don't know if you guys heard what we were going through, but the younger security, don't go. The younger security said, I can't see what's in the back of that truck. And it was a blanket. That was so funny. We were almost got arrested. Because they said, we can't see what that is. And it was a blanket. I didn't answer because I was going to see how much further they were going to go with it. So I didn't answer or anything. I just wanted to see. I was just testing. I know I'm bad. Okay. Anyway, it's August 11th, 2019. We're at the Hoover Dam. It's so beautiful. We had so much fun just at the entrance already. So, okay, I'll show you more pictures later. Have a good day.